So in Ms. Stryker's class, we were learning about cell organelles. So we had to create a social media profile for an organelle that she assigned us.
In Ms. Smith's class, we read articles such as the Oklahoma City bombing and the Rwanda genocide. These articles were cool because they taught us real events that happened that were impactful.
Alright, so something that helps me in Miss Lancaster's class is we look at old speeches so we can see the people's point of view from back in the day, like Washington's farewell address.
In Miss Smith class, we learned about the Charleston church shooting. We did a presentation about it, and I learned that Dylan Roof didn't like black people. That's the reason why he went to the church and shot it up. But I learned a lot because I live very close to Charleston, South Carolina.
I really enjoy when we do Socratic seminars in my IB classes because they help me learn and understand the material better.
In Ms. Tucker's class, she really helps us learn by making us write multiple essays and giving us feedback to help incorporate that into the day that we take the AP exam to hopefully make it easier and make sure we get a passing score on the exam.
In Ms. White's class, the most interesting thing that we did and the main thing that helped me was the scavenger hunt we did last semester. It's really good.
In Miss McHugh's class, I really enjoyed doing the Barbie bungee jump activity because it gave us something to look forward to and it really taught us how to work together.
The best activity that helped me in English 4 was the escape room in Miss Sawyer's class. It helped me learn more about the book Beowulf.
In Miss Weaver's class, I enjoyed the murder mystery activity that we did because it helped us learn about context clues and gathering information from a variety of sources.
In Ms. Frisch's class, we did debates, and it helped us learn more about conservative and liberals and their topics.
In Ms. Began's class for geometry, we did IXLs, and it helped me learn because it gave us test-like and quiz-like problems that we would see in the future, and repetition helps us to learn the material better.
In Teacher Cadet, we did stations that helped me understand the other methods of learning that kids use on the daily basis.
In Mr. Martin's class, we have this thing called an exit ticket, which means that whatever the question is asking you, after you leave the classroom, it makes sure that whatever we learn or whatever he did in class, get your opinion of what did you learn and how did it help you.
My favorite activity that a teacher has ever done in a class that I've had is I played this review game in Miss Lancaster's class, and it involved trash-get-ball, and I was one of the team captains, and it was just really fun and challenging to try to make all the shots and answer all the questions correctly. And I just think that if teachers implemented the interests of students more often, then we would have a lot more students that are engaged in the material, and in turn we would have a lot more people that are successful in